Hello, children. I hope you're all doing good and staying home. Today, we will learn about data representation. What is data representation? Data representation is the method of representing information in terms of pictures, symbols, graphs, or numbers. The information that we collect is called data. A data can be represented in different forms like pictographs and bar graphs. Today we will learn about the bar graphs. Bar graph can be represented in two ways. It may be a horizontal bar graph, it can be a vertical bar graph. Now let's look at the data chart of the flowers collected. We have already represented this data using a pictograph. Now another way of representing this data is through a bar graph. Every bar graph has a title which tells us what the bar graph is about. 2. Both side and bottom of the graph have a label which tells us what kind of data is shown. Third, the scale tells us the number each block is equal to. Now, let us see how we can read this bar graph of the flowers. From example, the title is Flowers Collected. It tells us the bar graph is about the number of flowers collected. The labels give us information about who collected the flowers and how many. The scale tells us how many flowers were collected. Hence, from the bar graph, we can say Simi collected 5 flowers, Sania collected 7 flowers, Suzanne collected 4 flowers. Max the mouse ate some fruits. Let's read this bar graph. Here the title Fruits eaten by Max tells us the bar graph is the number of fruits written by Max. The labels tell us that the data is about the kind and number of fruits eaten. The scale tells us the number of fruits eaten. Hence, from the bar graph, we can say that Max ate 2 mangoes, 4 cherries, 5 apples and 3 oranges. So, from the bar graph obtained, we can collect the information. From this bar graph, we can also find how many total fruits were eaten by Max. And we can also say that we can also find from the bar graph that how many more apples he ate than mangoes, or how many cherries he ate more than the oranges, and so on. So, from the bar graph, the information obtained can be very helpful. So, we can obtain a lot of information from the bar graphs. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.